Welcome back to Tech AI. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a free website using blogger.com. Whether you want to start a personal blog, a professional site, or just share your thoughts with the world, blogger.com is a fantastic platform to get started without spending any amount as a beginner. So let's dive in. First things first, search, and let's head over to blogger.com. If you visit first time, click on Create Your Blog. If you already have a Google account, you can sign in directly. If not, you'll need to create one. Click on your preferred Google account and proceed. Once you're logged in, you will need to create a new blog. Firstly, choose the name for your blog. For example, I chose the name for myself, Tech AI Blogs. Next, you need to choose a blog address. This will be the URL people use to access your site. Blogger will check if the address is available. So keep trying until you find one that's not taken. Then confirm your display name. This can be anything you want. So be creative. You'll be greeted with the Blogger dashboard with lots of options. In the Blogger dashboard, click on the New Post button. This will open the post editor where you can start writing your content. At the top, you'll see a field for your post title. Think of something catchy and relevant to the content you're going to share. Below the title, you'll find the main content area. This is where you can write your blog post. Let's go through some of the key formatting options. You can make your text bold, italic, or underline to emphasize important points to organize your content better. To add an image to your post, click on the Insert Image icon in the toolbar. You can upload an image from your computer, select one from your Google Photos, or even search the web directly from the editor. Once you select your image, you can adjust its size and alignment. If you want to add a video, click on the Insert Video icon. Don't forget to add labels to your post. Labels act like tags and help organize your content. For example, if you're writing a tech blog, you might use labels like smartphones, Windows, or software. You can add multiple labels to a single post. After you publish your post, it will be visible to anyone who visits your blog. You can always go back and edit your post later if you need to make changes, and that's how you create and publish your first post on blogger.com. Blogger offers a variety of free themes to choose. To start, click on the theme option in the left sidebar of your Blogger dashboard. Here you'll see a list of available themes. You can preview each theme by clicking on it, which will show you how your blog will look with that particular design. Once you find a theme you like, click on the Apply button to set it as your blog's theme. Don't worry if you're not completely satisfied. You can always change the theme later or customize it further. Remember, the key to a successful blog is consistent and high-quality content. Keep writing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun with it. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.